Here's a short My Jeep update on checking codes.
Yeah, sounds pretty good back here.
I went ahead and replaced the TCM relay with a new one. I'm going to do a startup, run for a few minutes, then check for codes. And an update on the last of my front end parts. They're showing coming in Monday, but I don't know if they'll arrive early or late. If I get them in time, I will start installing Monday. I'm running the systems check to find out what codes I have now. I now have 3 codes, all O2 sensors, both banks.
And there's my new lift, and hopefully, maybe I might get to the Harley tomorrow. I'm not sure. I don't have any parts coming until Monday, so maybe I'll do something with it. Out.
Where the hell is it? And thanks for stopping by and watching. And we'll see you on the next My Jeep update and maybe a little Harley work too. So long.